Crazy. Ain't nothing changed. Still real, baby. Around.
Yo, what's good, you guys? Back with another video. Thank you guys for tuning in to watch. Pretty much what I'm going to be doing in this video is I'm going to be removing the head again for the third time. Why? This is just, it's been a nightmare with this car. I've already gone through 2 head gaskets, about to go on the third, and basically my issue is I don't know if my torque sequence is good. I'm torquing it down. I'm following ARP's torque specs, torquing this thing down to 80 foot-pounds. You know, first I'm hitting 30, 60, 80, and it just seems that like every time I do it, I'm still getting leak. Like it's not fully like crushing the head gasket, and you know how it should be. So I think it's my issue. I mean obviously it's my issue, but I think it's me that's fucking it up, and by that I'm saying I think I'm doing wrong is I'm putting too much moly lube from ARP, and I'm also putting them on the threads that go into the block, which I don't think I'm supposed to do. Maybe some of you do, maybe some of you don't, but I'm gonna do it different this time, and I'm gonna make sure that I clean out the threads. I'm gonna shoot air into the holes. I'm gonna I got the little tap and die set. I'm gonna clean out the threads, make sure everything is clean in there, and before I put my ARP head studs, because I did get some new ones, because the ones I got last time they're used. I know I shouldn't have bought used head studs. That might be my issue too, but this time we got the real deal. There's a part number, B16A with the B20 block. So yeah, hopefully this time, third time's a charm, everything goes good. Like I said, I think by putting the moly lube into the studs that go into the block, it was basically like hydro locking the stud where it wouldn't seat all the way, and my torque spec was off. So this time I'm going to make sure everything's clean. I'm going to send off the head to my buddy so that he can resurface it, leak check, compression check, make sure the head is just tip-top shape, because this thing's got to run. I've been working on this for too long, having too many issues, and yeah. So another thing we're going to throw into this head is we got these Blocks Racing lost motion assemblies, so we're gonna throw that in there too. Hopefully everything works like I said, but I think I'm pretty much just gonna put you guys on a time lapse, because yeah, all this video is gonna be is just removing the head, and save the other parts for other videos. Feel me? So let's just jump into it, because I've been talking too much. So let's just jump into it, hit the time lapse. Let's go. All right, head's finally off. Trying to send that one to the machine shop, and honestly, I don't know where I'm going wrong. I think obviously I'm noticing I'm putting way too much lube on these ARPs or fake ARPs. I don't know, but definitely putting too much of that lube on there, because look, you can see it's all gunked up. Yeah, that's excessive. So I'm fucking that up. On top of that, let me know in the comments if you guys put some of that moly lube on the threads to go in the block, because I've been doing that too, and I think that's where I'm fucking up, because I feel like I'm putting too much of that lube, that when it squishes down, you know, all the lube just goes to the bottom of it and doesn't let me get like the full torque. That's what I'm thinking is my problem. Because it's twice I've done it, and now when I do it this third time, I'm not going to do it that way. I'm going to switch it up. But let me know in the comments what you guys do. That way, you know, shit, maybe you guys can help me out on what the fuck I'm doing wrong. Because, yeah, man, I don't even know what's going on. But we're going to send this off. We're going to send this head off to get fixed. We got seeing some of those lost motion assemblies that we're going to swap out. So we're going to take those out. I'll probably end up doing that before I send it out to the shop. And, yeah, everything looks good. So pretty much what I'm going to do is, from here, I'm going to remove those studs. I'm going to clean up the block, make sure, oh, I need to get a precision straight edge. I want to make sure that my block isn't warped. I don't think it is, but I mean, now that the head is off, it's the best time to check, right? So gonna do that, and I'm hoping this time's a charm. So yeah, that's probably gonna be it for the end of this video. The next one will probably, when you guys see me go pick up the head and install it, so we can get this shit going. Cause yeah, it's been too long. So yeah, so let me just end it here. Thank you guys for watching. I know it's kind of boring. It's mostly time lapse and me yapping, but hopefully I can learn from you guys that have knowledge on this, because this is my first time really doing this, or third time doing this. So I don't really have the knowledge. You guys might have the knowledge, have way more knowledge than me, obviously. So if you guys can share that with me, I'd appreciate it. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure you give it a like, thumbs up, whatever. Comment, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and stay tuned for the next one. So hopefully we can start ripping this thing down the road. All right, well, thank you guys for watching. Peace.